everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a color palette easily from any designs or image in Canva. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just create or open any designs and then just upload your image, or you can also use a designs that you have already made. And then next, just go to apps, this one, and then just search for the cat palette like this one, this app. Just click on it and then open, and then next just click or select your image that you want to get the palette like this, and then just simply tap on get color palette. And okay, like this, you will get the color palette over here. And then next just simply tap on add to designs, and like this you will get the color palette instantly like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.